Today I'll be filling some holes in this drywall. As you can see, I got few little holes there. So we're painting this wall, but forgot to fix this before we do our first coat. So I'll show you what I'm doing it. I have this drywall compound, and it's been sitting for years, but it's a little dry, so I just take some, put it in a bowl or plate, and then add some water, so then it becomes soft like a paste. Since it's been sitting for so long, that's why it's dry and I had to add water. But if I had bought new, it would have come in the paste form. So I'll take some compound, and then with the help of scraper I'll be filling these holes. Another one here. So I'm applying more pressure like this than low pressure. More pressure to fill it in, and then very light pressure across to take the excess off. Here is one more spot. Looks like this one needs a little bit more. And I got one more here. So now I'll wait for it to dry, and then I'll just use the paintbrush to touch it up, or when I go actually the second round of my paint coat, it will look fine. After it dries, I'm just gonna use this 180 grit sandpaper, just very light, not too much. I'll take my roller, and then this is the same color that is on the wall, very light. I'm not taking too much, and now I will go up and down wherever I patched it. I may have to do 2 coats, but I'll do 1 coat and dry, and then see how it looks after. After the first coat, I notice I still have some spots that needs to be fixed. They were not filled properly. Third one is there. Here's a close-up. So I will fill this again. and I'll wait for it to dry. So it's dry again, and I'm gonna re-sand it just a little bit, not too much, and very lightly. So now it looks fine, so I'm just gonna roll my paint. So the paint is dry now, and the fix we had applied was somewhere here, and I don't see it anymore. It looks like very good. I'm happy with it. Well, this is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you like the video, please press the like button. Thank you.